Christopher, take you Sophie,
I, Christopher, take you Sophie,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
I, Sophie, take you Christopher,
I, Sophie, take you Christopher,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
This wasn't in the original speech, but my main memory will be back today when we walked down the aisle and we shared a glance before we went down there. That was wonderful. I'll treasure that forever. Today I'm the proudest man in the whole world. Seeing your daughter happy is a really wonderful thing.
In the presence of God and before this congregation, Sophie and Chris have given their consent and made their marriage vows to one another. They have declared their marriage by the joining of hands and by the giving and receiving of rings. I proclaim that they are therefore husband and wife.
Welcome to Llanfair Hall, officially the best camping, caravan and glamping site in North Wales. There's a little poem, and with apologies to the author, no prouder woman can be. When in her eyes I see sweet recognition glow. 'Tis a foolish thing, I know, for the great hand that wrought her made other babies so. But this one is my daughter.
Just to give you an idea of how Sophie and I met, I had a broken ankle and an unheard of Saturday night. So I decided to head into Banbury to watch a band. While queuing at the bar, I was approached by a sassy northern lass asking to have a go on my crutches. I knew Sophie was special when she turned up to our first date with a plastic bag on her head. It was a makeshift umbrella, apparently. I fell in love with her the first moment I met her, and since then I've had the happiest 5 years of my life. There's so many things that I love about Sophie. She's beautiful, she makes me laugh every day, she's intelligent, and most importantly, she's a great judge of character. Thank you for being patient with me over the years, and for letting me think that I'm the boss from time to time. I'm the happiest man in the world, and I love you with all my heart, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.